Hello lovely people, today's video is very exciting one because I'm gonna showing you how I got this full face of makeup using only tiny makeup. I used a products that are so small, so tiny, so cute, so adorable. These are all travel products that are adorable. I think that I said look how adorable is that like of 15 times throughout this video. There is this size of product. It makes me happy. I don't know why. But anyways, I've seen videos like that around YouTube. I really wanted to try out this challenge myself. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Without wasting any more time, let's get started on this video. Oh my god, I am so exciting. This is going to be so much fun. I'm gonna actually use the babies of my makeup products. So here's what I mean, baby. Check out this one, baby. You get the idea. So what you worry about? So check out this brightening hydrating face serum by Plum. Tiny, it's very tiny and it feels like a plastic but it looks like a glass. I don't know, I'm confused now. Moisturize and happy. So now moving on to glow cream. This is the Plum Glow Face Cream and this is again a tiny packaging. The full size of the product is like about this big. This one is pretty tiny. You're sick of my madness. I'm gonna start off by priming my face. I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty primer. Okay, the full size has a pump. This one doesn't, so yeah. I guess I'm just gonna pour some product from this little tiny thing. Here we go. This feels is so cooling. It smells so good.
Better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do when I'm walking on the streets half naked. It's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup. It's part of me, it's part of me.
Now time to have a tiny foundation on from Swiss Beauty for today. So I'm just gonna be applying my foundation and concealer, my blemishes, acne and pimple, and done.
When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. Get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to do. 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 You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. Better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do when I'm walking on the streets half naked. It's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup. It's part of me.
That we can move on to the brows, and for the brows I have some really cute products that will melt your heart. So I'm gonna start off with the Manish Malhotra's tiny brow pencil. I'm using the shade black. I'm just gonna brush through my eyebrows, fill all the gaps, and my eyebrow is done.
Part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. Get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what
Okay, moving on to the eyes. Today I have these three little eyeshadow palette by Popuxo. They're like the small tray version of them. Eyeshadow palette. I like a small palette, guys. That is so convenient. You can travel with them so easily. I feel like we're definitely going to do something more natural, something more warm. I don't want to mix different colors from the three palette. I just want to pick one palette and create a look with it. I didn't want to use this one. Look how cool packaging. I'm gonna start off with this shade here. It's gonna blend that in my crease. You guys know how much I love the silver eyeshadow. They are so easy to blend, so they feel so creamy, so soft, and I don't know, I'm just really enjoy applying them on my eyelids. Okay, next up I am gonna take the shade brown, this one right here. I am using a clean brush. This is in my 25. I want to use it to make my crease look even more defined.
Supposed to do.
Okay, now I am taking a flat brush. I am just gonna make it a little bit dumb by spraying it with the Over Makeup Fixer. I am gonna leave it in this shade here. Wow, you can see. Wow. Oh, I absolutely love how this look is coming out, so stunning. This one come out so nice. It reminds me of Somewhere Over the Sunset, and I can tell I always had it some eyeliner because I love winged eyeliner. And now let's go ahead and finish up the look by adding some eyeshadows a little along the lower lashes. I'm mixing these two colors here on a pencil brush and keeping it mainly in the outer half of my eye. I'll use it to first highlight color from the palette to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. For a mascara, I have this one hereby, and I don't have the full sized, and I also never tried this mascara before, so I'm excited to give it a go. I'm really happy with how it coats my lashes. It separates them very nicely. It feels like it coats every single lash very evenly. Well, I should don't stick together, which is nice. I love how this mascara made my lashes look nice. But yeah, this mascara made them look pretty long. I like that.
I know what I'm supposed to do. Supposed to do.
Done with the eyes, moving on to face. I used so many Indian products today. I would try to use this purple pink blush by Swiss Beauty. It's like a liquid blush and it worked out pretty good. It just adds very natural color onto the face, and it also gives you a little bit of a glow, which I absolutely love.
Supposed to do. I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to do.
For a highlighter, I am gonna use this powdery highlighter by the brand Swiss Beauty shade Fusion. This highlighter can also be used as an eyeshadow. Oh, this look is so summery. I am so ready for the summer like shows already. This highlighter is set into the skin pretty quickly, so you need to be fast when blending it. You don't want to let it sit on your skin and blend it for way too long, because after that you have a hard time blending it out. I I'm using my Glam eyeliner, one of my all-time favorite eyeliner, shade black. You can see that are so small and tiny and cute and adorable eyeliner. Look at this packaging. We're going to finish up this look with one of the most adorable and cute products that I've used today. Check it out. This is a lipstick by the brand Swiss Beauty, shade brown and Caplay. It's a very small lipstick. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. Lastly, I'm gonna be using makeup fixer spray. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun creating this look with all of those tiny little products. I think that the smallest one from all of them is actually the lipstick. But you can see you can create a full face of makeup using only travel size products. I mean, these products are meant for traveling, to take all of these products when you're traveling so that you can do your makeup, so that you can save some space, and we proved that it's actually possible. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, comment, share. I really love how look come out. If you like it too, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram handle, link in the description box, so check them out. Love you all. Bye bye.